Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. I'm looking at a IBM Wheelwriter 6. Let's see, Series 1, early version, you know. And it's making a weird noise only when it spaces two spaces. So let's say I return back two spaces. Makes that noise. So I set tab spots every two. And it does it. But if I do one or two spaces, one or three spaces, it doesn't do it. So I'm going to go over here. There's more tabs set over here. So these are three. And it doesn't do it. Only does it when it's two. Either forwards or backwards. Ding, ding. So even if I return two, it doesn't. But if I want to return one, nothing. Or return three, nothing. One, nothing. Two, noise. Three, no noise. Strangest thing, and I don't know. I think it's just an anomaly. I tried to figure it out, and I can't, so it's kind of weird. Two spaces, backwards or forwards. Noisy. Better get over here to where I have three set. Right there. Three, 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 three. Nothing. And of course nothing on single space. But if I go two, strangest thing. That is strange. That is so weird. These are really weird. Alright, just wanted to highlight that today. I'm at a customer's office. Good day.